Welcome to price action real traders. Today I'm going to show you how to identify engulfing zone in ranging market. So this is part 3 on how to identify engulfing zone in ranging market. So before we start, let me try to take some live trade. So then I will show you in details. As you can see here, we are in ranging market here. Here we are in ranging market. So you see here, this is my zone here, because this candle, this weak candle is green and this red candle engulf the weak candle. Then if market come and touch this zone, if I see rejection, I can place my trade, put option here. Because of the ranging market, so I will wait for market to reach this zone, then I will place my trade. You see market is going down and the market has created another zone here. You see this is another engulfing zone. Why? Because you see market comes down, retracement, and here is the engulfing, and this is the zone in ranging market. So now if market come back and touch this, close at this zone, close, as I was telling you, in ranging market don't trade touch, you must trade close. If market close here, or if market close inside here or break, then you can place your trade. Let me check another one before. So you see here, this is engulfing. This is engulfing. I will place put option here, even though it is late entry, but I know definitely market must go down. I place my trade bit late, but no problem, because you see this is the engulfing. This red candle engulfs this green candle, and you see market come back and close exactly at the opening price of this red candle with the rejection. So now I know market must go down. Let me draw it well so that you will see. You see here, and this is my zone here. Then you see here market go up, come down, go up. Then you see engulfing here. Then market after engulf come back and close exactly at the zone with the rejection. Then I place my trade. Why? Because of the ranging market. Why this is ranging market? Let me show you. Even though it's light uptrend, but it's ranging market. Why? Because you see here, Many people will be thinking this is strong trend. If you know how to read Bollinger Band, you see flat Bollinger, flat, flat, you see here, and here as well, and here as well, and you see flat 20 MA, and this 50 MA as well is not very stiff. So this shows that we are a ranging market. Maybe one day I will do video on how to read Bollinger Band to identify ranging market based on Bollinger Band. So here is based on Bollinger Band. You see here, you see here, this is strong trend. Why? This is strong trend. Why do you see Bollinger is going up? It's going up like this, you see, and you see the alignment of the EMA here, 2050. But here, what you can see, if you can read Bollinger Band very well, you see it's very flat here. You see Bollinger is flat, you see it's flat, you see it's flat, and you see as well is flat, and 20 MA as well is flat. So based on Bollinger Band here showed that we are a ranging market. So here you can trade nicely. As you can see, I traded nicely based on Bollinger Band. You see here still market is going up and down. So one day I will do video on how to read Bollinger Band very well, so that you will understand. Even if you are in strong trend, sometimes market may be in ranging. You see here strong trend, but here you see Bollinger flat, so this is the ranging. But here you see Bollinger is pointing up, so this is strong uptrend. You see all here from here, but here you see Bollinger flat is ranging, but here all here is uptrend, strong uptrend, but here is ranging. Even though you are in the EMA showed that like strong uptrend, but Bollinger showed that you are in ranging mode. So this is the way that you read trend. So this is the way that you read trend. So let's continue. So you see here, this is another zone here. You see here, this is another zone. You see engulfing. So market has to close here inside this zone, then you can place your trade. Don't place your trade if market touch. You see market is trying to close inside my zone. You see rejection. You see, you see this candle is very strong, so I will wait. You see rejection. You see rejection. Yes, I'll place put option here. I place my trade put option here. Why? Because market rejects, close inside my zone, and definitely market must go down. Why? Because of ranging market. Because of the ranging market, definitely this trade must be in the money. You see strong sellers entry. As I have told you, in range market you can get quick and easy opportunity. You see here is engulfing, market comeback, rejection, put option. Why? Because of the ranging market. Why it is ranging market? As I have told you, if you see Bollinger is flat, and the 20 MA is flat, and the 50 MA is flat as well, so show that this is ranging market. You see in the same pair, I took trade here. After I took trade on this candle, after 1 2 3 4 5 candle, I took another trade. After 5 minutes, you see, easy, simple. So this is the way. Let me explain more for you to understand. You see here, as I was telling you, in ranging market you can read Bollinger. If you know Bollinger, if you know this concept, here you see Bollinger is flat. You see flat. Then you see 20 MA is flat. 50 also flat. It's not very steep. So anywhere here is ranging. As soon as you see engulfing, when market close inside or break, you can place your trade. Why this one didn't work? You see spinning top. Then you see this is strong hammer. Then you see this one is like timber, but there is little bit gap. So after this one, you see, you can wait for the next candle. If you see red candle, the next candle must be red. Then you can place your trade here. And here as well, you see market is go up, then engulfing. The market comes down with the rejection. Then you can place your trade, go off, but market didn't reach the zone. Don't place your trade, wait for market to reach the zone. But here you see market create engulfing again, then come down, rejection. Then I place my trade put option. So now what are you going to do? You see here, what you can see here now, very simple. You see another engulfing zone now. So now this is your zone. Market has changed. You see here. So this is your zone now. If market comes and close here, you can place your trade. This is your engulfing zone here now. Here. Why? Because you are in ranging market and you see the movement. Market comes down, go up, comes down, then market go up, comes down, then engulfing here. So here, this is your zone now. Very nice zone. So you wait for market to come to this zone. As soon as market touch close at this zone, then you can place your trade. Very simple. As soon as market comes down to this zone, then you can place your trade. You see market is trying to come down. You see, so as soon as you see market come to this zone, and if you see rejection, you must see rejection. Don't place your trade without rejection. Sometimes it works, sometimes it may not work. If you are placing without rejection, you must see rejection. If you need at least 80% win ratio, at least you have to see rejection. But even if there is no rejection, sometimes it can reverse. You see here no rejection on this candle, but market reverse, but it's not yet reached the zone here. But here you see I see rejection here, that's why I place my trade. But here you will wait for market to come to this zone, then you place your trade, but you must see rejection. As I was telling you all the time, try to see rejection, because rejection will make your signal to work more than if you don't have rejection. So you see still market is trying to come to this zone. So you know, trading is patient. You have to exercise patience all the time. Don't rush and don't overtrade. You know, sometimes overtrading can make you too tired, too exhausted. Then you will start trading anyhow. So just try to take like as few trade as you can. Don't stay too much in the market. Staying too much in the market may make you to fail most of the time. So you see, I'm waiting for market to come to this zone. You know, sometimes people are complaining, I wait, market didn't come. No, you just try to exercise patience or to check another pair. Don't just open one pair, waiting. So sometimes market may come, market may not come. So just try to change another pair if you couldn't get opportunity. You see here, I get 2 opportunities quickly. So if you didn't get your opportunity, try to change another one, because not all the time market may comes down. But here you see market is trying to create another zone. So if market creates, if you are waiting here, you can see many opportunities. You see here, this is if market break this zone, this area, so it's another zone. You wait for this zone, market may comes back quickly to this zone, then you can place your trade, call option. Because you see market is trying to change to strong uptrend. As you can see, Bollinger is trying to change direction. Here you see Bollinger is pointing up now. 20 EMA is pointing up, 50 is pointing up. So market is trying to change to strong uptrend. You see now market engulf this candle. You see here, you see engulfing. So we are in strong uptrend now. So if market touch this here, you see here market has already touched. Market has not yet touched the body of this candle, but now here it is on. So now you are in strong uptrend. So if market comes back to this zone, you can still place your trade, because market has changed after Bollinger flat squeeze. Then market now changed to strong uptrend. So let's check the ranging market. So you see here, this is the typical ranging market. So where is your zone now? Here is your zone. This is your zone. You wait market to touch this zone, then you can easily place your trade here. Why? We are in a ranging market. So we wait for market to close here. Yes, we wait for market to close here, then we can place our trade. You see rejection. You see rejection. You see rejection. You see, then you can place your trade put option here. Why? Because we are a ranging market. Here definitely market must reverse. Here you see, this is our zone. So you just place your trade put option here. You see strong sellers entry. Why? Because we are a ranging market. Why it is ranging market? Even though you see like strong uptrend, Bollinger you see is flat. 20 MA is flat. So now you are still in ranging market. You see here, you see this is flat Bollinger band, this flat Bollinger band, this flat Bollinger band, this plus 20 MA. So market break this zone, come back to the engulfing zone, then you just place your trade put option. Very simple. You see, I took total 3 trades in a row easily with this strategy. As I have told you, you don't care about support and resistance, you don't care about trend line, just try to identify your zone. As soon as you identify your zone, you see rejection, market must reverse. You see here, anytime, if you know Bollinger, you know there are many people who knows how to read Bollinger. So as soon as you see Bollinger is flat, 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 you see you are in ranging market, and you see 20 MA is flat. Even though the EMA, the arrangement of EMA shows strong trend, try to look at your Bollinger. You see here, Bollinger showed that we are in strong uptrend here. You see, this Bollinger showed that we are in strong, showed that we are in strong uptrend. You see, strong uptrend based on Bollinger, strong uptrend based on EMA. You see, EMA alignment 200, 100, 50, 20. You see, and Bollinger, all of them are pointing up. So here is very, very strong uptrend. But here, even though you have 200, 100, 50, 20, why? But you see Bollinger flat. Bollinger is flat. 20 MA is flat. Bollinger is flat. Middle Bollinger is flat. 1 deviation, 2 deviation. Middle Bollinger, all are flat. You see, the 20 MA as well is flat, and even this 50 MA is trying to change to flat. You see, this Bollinger as well is flat. Show that you are in ranging market. You are in ranging market. Don't trade touch, trade close in this situation. Just trade close in this situation. So it's very, very simple. You see here, if you want to place your trade again here, you see engulfing, you see market touch here, you see rejection. So as soon as market close here, then you can place your trade call option. Very, very simple. As soon as market close inside this zone, because why? This is your zone now, then you can just place call option easily. So I'm coming. Let me pause, please. Okay, let's go ahead. So you see here, as I was telling you, now market, if you see Bollinger is breaking, it's pointing up, means market is changing direction, but still here is your zone. Still here is your zone. So people are asking about the ebook. I'm still working on the ebook because I want to try to make it as perfect as possible. And you know, I was telling you, I'm very busy, very busy all the time because I have many students. So that's why the ebook, I don't have much time to give for the ebook, but still I'm trying, and I want to make it perfect so that everybody, if anybody gets it, at least he will understand the strategies and make money easily. So that's why I don't want to rush and do it anyhow. So don't worry, please exercise patience. The ebook is coming. I'm still trying. So let me show you more. See, so I was telling you, So you see here market is bad, but you are arranging market. But anytime you see wicks, don't place your trade there, because it will work but it may give you bad entry point. So try to get where there's no too much wicks or something like this. Try to get where you can have good trend. You see, like here, markets from here to here is healthy. So here you can just identify where is the engulfing zone. Where the engulfing zone here, let me show you. You see here, this is the zone. You see market comes to this zone. You see market reverse, break the zone, market reverse. So but here is better. Okay, here is close 2 times. It's not broken yet. It's not broken yet. You see, it's close to time. But don't place trade on this one. Why you should not place trade on this one? This one has no good rejection, and here it can fail you, because market, anytime you want to place a trade, try to get good entry point. But here you see, because of the rejection, you can place your trade, but this is very weak candle. This one will be better. Why? Because this one has, it is very weak. But as I was telling you, if you see weak candle with long tail here, then the next candle supposed to be green. So here, if you know running candle, then you can place your trade here, and sorry, and you see here, still we are in range market. So why is our zone here? This is our zone here. This is supposed to be our zone. You see here, and here, this is our zone. Why? Because of the ranging market. If market comes down, immediately go up. So this is our zone. Then where are we going to take our trade? Here, you see, very nice one here. Let me draw it so that you will see. Because of the ranging market, here is our zone. This candle and this one. If this one comes and close inside the zone, but this one has gap, then you see, you wait for the next candle, then you place your trade. Call option here. Because this is the strong zone in ranging market. Why it is ranging market? As I was telling you, you can identify it with, you see, Bollinger, 1 deviation, 2 deviation is flat, 1 deviation is flat, middle Bollinger is flat, 50 MA is flat, 20 MA is flat, 100 MA is flat as well. All show that we are in strong ranging market. So in this situation, you can easily place your trade. Easy. So you see here, let me show you more. Sorry. You see here, we are in strong downtrend. Why? Strong downtrend here. 200, 150, 20. You see Bollinger pointing down. But here we are in ranging market. Why it is ranging market? Because you see 200 flat, 100 flat, 50 flat, 20 crossing. So here, even though the Bollinger is up, but we are in ranging market based on EMA. You understand? You can read ranging market based on Bollinger Band. You can read ranging market based on EMA. So if ebook comes, you will see all these things. After ebook, I will try to do concrete video pack based on the ebook. I will take the ebook page by page and explain it based on video. So I will do pack Very nice one, so that you will understand. If you like the pack, video pack, then you can get it, or if you like the ebook, you can whatever you like, you can get. So you see here, this is ranging market. Why? You see 200, you see 100, you see 50, you see 20, and you see crossing here, you see crossing here, all here you see crossing. Then why? How are you going to identify? You see market go up, comes down, engulfing. So this is the zone. Comes down, engulfing. This is the zone. You see, comes down, engulfing. Then this is the zone here. You see, this is the zone. But this one, as I was telling you, try to see rejection. You see this one close at the zone without rejection. Here is the zone. But this one close without rejection. Wait for the next candle. Just you see rejection, then you place your trade easily. Easily. This is easy. Everywhere you have opportunities. Simple. You have opportunities everywhere based on ranging market. You know, strong trend, you have to be waiting to get strong trend. But in the ranging market, everywhere you have opportunities. You see, even though this candle is very, very tiny one, you see here up, you see, sorry, you see market comes down here, little bit up, then you see engulfing. You see market go up, you see market put option here. But this one has no rejection. This one has no rejection. You don't place your trade if you don't have rejection, but still you see market reverse. Here market come back with a little candle rejection. You see market put option. So it's very easy. Even if you see everywhere there is red green, you can place your trade easily in ranging mode, because you have quick and as many as possible opportunities here. You see, only if you sometimes you see you can avoid momentum. You see momentum here, you can avoid, because if you have momentum, but if you know how to read very well, you will not place your trade here, because you see here and you see here, this is the zone. You see already no rejection, so that market will not comes down. Even this one has no rejection. You see, so that's why market, you see momentum, market break. You see, so I took total 3 trades. You see, based on this zone, this strategy. You see the first trade engulfing, market come back, rejection, put option. You see, and the second trade in the same pair, you see here engulfing, market come back with rejection, put option. You see, then the last trade here is different pair, euro USD. You see, engulfing, market comes back, rejection, put option. Very easy. So this is the end of this video. You know, some people are not commenting the video. I don't know whether you don't like the video, because people are not liking and not commenting. So if you are liking and commenting, you will encourage me to express more and show you more and more and more. Please try to comment and like. So this is the end of this video. Please like this video, share to your friends and family, comment please. I will say thank you. Bye bye.